The challenge. Try this for 1 week. Transform how women see you. Have you ever wondered why some men effortlessly attract women while others struggle to make a lasting impression? The difference isn't in looks, money, or status. It's in how they carry themselves. Women are naturally drawn to confidence, decisiveness, and emotional control, and the way you present yourself can completely shift how they perceive you. For the next 7 days, I challenge you to take on a life-changing experiment, one that will help you speak with more confidence, lead with purpose, and naturally command respect and attraction. These simple yet powerful daily habits will set you apart from other men, making you instantly more intriguing and desirable. This isn't about tricks or manipulation. It's about developing the kind of mindset and behavior that make women gravitate toward you effortlessly. By the end of this week, you'll feel a noticeable shift in how women respond to you, and more importantly, how you see yourself. Are you ready to become the kind of man women admire and respect? Let's get started. Number 1. Why most men struggle to build strong connections. In today's world, many men find themselves frustrated and confused when it comes to forming deep, meaningful connections, especially with women. Despite their best efforts, they often feel like their relationships are shallow, one-sided, or constantly slipping away. The truth is, most men unknowingly sabotage their own chances of building strong bonds due to a combination of poor communication, lack of confidence, emotional unavailability, and misunderstanding what truly attracts women. If you've ever felt like you're constantly being friend-zoned, ignored, or misunderstood, you're not alone. The good news: these struggles are not permanent. Once you understand the key mistakes men make, you can start making changes that will dramatically improve the way you connect with women and people in general. Let's break down the biggest reasons why most men struggle to build strong connections and how to fix them. 1. Lack of genuine confidence. One of the biggest roadblocks men face is a lack of confidence, and women can sense it instantly. Confidence isn't about bragging, showing off, or pretending to be someone you're not. True confidence comes from knowing your worth, having a strong sense of self, and not seeking constant validation. Many men struggle because they either seek approval too much, constantly worrying about saying the right thing or trying too hard to impress, play it too safe, avoiding bold moves, fearing rejection, or hesitating to express their real thoughts, base their confidence on external things like money, looks, or status, rather than building inner self-assurance. How to fix this? Start by working on your mindset. Believe that you are enough, regardless of outside factors. Stop over-analyzing interactions. Speak and act with certainty and purpose. Focus on self-improvement. Fitness, skill building, and emotional intelligence all play a role in authentic confidence. 2. Being too agreeable or indecisive. Most men think that by being nice, agreeable, and always saying yes, they will win a woman's heart. But here's the harsh truth. Women don't respect men who can't stand their ground. If you're constantly saying things like, "Whatever you want," "I don't know, you decide," "I just want to make you happy," you are subtly showing weakness. Women don't want a man who follows blindly. They want a leader, someone who knows what he wants and isn't afraid to go for it. How to fix this? Express your own thoughts, opinions, and preferences. Don't be afraid to say no or disagree when necessary. Practice making decisions and leading conversations instead of always deferring to others. 3. Lack of emotional depth. Many men struggle to build strong connections because they keep conversations surface level. They talk about sports, work, and hobbies, but never dive into deeper emotions, values, and personal growth. Women, however, are naturally more emotionally intuitive and crave connection on a deeper level. If you can't offer that, they will eventually lose interest. How to fix this? Be comfortable sharing your thoughts and emotions without fear of judgment. Ask deeper questions instead of just small talk. Ask, what motivates you? Or, what's a dream you've never told anyone? Listen actively. Stop thinking about what you'll say next and actually hear what she's saying. 4. Trying too hard to impress. A huge mistake men make is overcompensating to appear more desirable. Whether it's bragging about their job, flexing on social media, or acting like someone they're not, it always backfires. Women are extremely good at detecting inauthenticity. The moment she senses you're trying too hard, she'll lose respect. Attraction isn't about impressing her. It's about being someone she genuinely enjoys being around. How to fix this? Focus on being present rather than showing off. Let your actions and character speak louder than your words. Be comfortable in silence. You don't need to fill every moment with a joke or impressive story. 5. Ignoring body language and energy. Most men don't realize that 90% of attraction is non-verbal. The way you carry yourself, your tone of voice, your posture, and your eye contact all communicate more than words ever could. If you have poor posture, weak eye contact, or nervous body language, you'll come across as insecure or unsure of yourself, even if you're saying all the right things. How to fix this? Stand tall with relaxed shoulders. Maintain strong but not creepy eye contact. Slow down your speech. Speaking too fast makes you seem nervous. Mirror her energy, but remain grounded in your own. 6. Being too available. Another reason men struggle to build strong connections is because they give too much of themselves too quickly. They text constantly, rearrange their schedules, and make themselves too easy to access. This makes women lose interest quickly because it removes the element of mystery and challenge. How to fix this? Keep a balanced life. Pursue your goals and passions outside of dating. Don't be too quick to reply to texts or always be available. Let attraction build naturally. Scarcity creates value. Lacking a strong purpose in life. Women are attracted to men who have a mission, a purpose, and a drive beyond just chasing relationships. If your entire world revolves around getting a girlfriend, you're doing it wrong. The most attractive men are the ones who are focused on their goals, improving themselves, and leading an interesting life. Women want to be a part of your journey, not your entire purpose. How to fix this? Set clear personal and career goals. Build skills and hobbies that give your life meaning. Become someone who is fulfilled on his own, because true confidence comes from purpose. Final thoughts. Building strong connections isn't about tricks, money, or playing games. It's about becoming a man who naturally attracts respect, admiration, and deep connections. If you've struggled in the past, don't worry. Every mistake is fixable. Focus on confidence, decisiveness, emotional depth, and personal growth. Once you do, you'll notice a shift in how women respond to you, not because you changed your words, but because you transformed your mindset and energy. So, which of these areas do you need to work on most? Drop a comment below and let's discuss. Blast off. Number 2. How to use I want to build attraction. Most men struggle with attraction because they don't understand the power of directness. They hesitate, beat around the bush, and seek approval instead of leading interactions with confidence. But one of the most powerful psychological triggers for attraction is simple: stating what you want. Saying "I want" is not just about expressing desires. It's about displaying confidence, certainty, and leadership, which women find incredibly attractive. When used correctly, this phrase eliminates confusion, establishes dominance, and creates an undeniable pull that makes a woman feel drawn to you. So, How can you use "I want" to build attraction without coming across as arrogant or demanding? Let's break it down. 1. Why "I want" works so well for attraction. The phrase "I want" signals three things that naturally trigger attraction in women. Confidence. You are decisive, you know what you want, and you aren't afraid to express it. Clarity. Women don't like uncertainty. When you communicate directly, it removes doubt and creates an emotional connection. Leadership. Women are naturally drawn to men who lead rather than follow. Stating your desires shows that you take charge instead of waiting for approval. Too many men use weak, uncertain language when expressing interest. Would it be okay if I was thinking maybe we could. Do you think you'd want to? This type of communication kills attraction because it puts the decision-making burden on the woman, making her feel like she's leading instead of being led. Now, compare that to, "I want to see you tonight. I want you to try this with me. I want to take you somewhere special this weekend." See the difference? These statements are clear, direct, and engaging, and they work. 2. Using "I want" to express interest in a woman. Many men struggle with flirting because they fear rejection and hesitate to express attraction. But women don't want passive men, they want certainty. Instead of saying, "Do you think we should hang out sometime?" say, "I want to take you to my favorite spot this weekend." Instead of saying, "I was wondering if you'd be interested in going out sometime," say, "I want to take you on a date Friday night." These statements make a woman feel desired without pressure. They remove ambiguity, so she knows you're interested, but they also give her space to respond naturally. Women don't want to be the ones making the first move or figuring out what you mean. They want a man who takes charge and makes them feel wanted. 3. Using "I want" to create emotional connection. Attraction isn't just physical, it's emotional. Using "I want" in deeper conversations can build an intimate connection. Instead of small talk, try checkmark. "I want to understand what drives you. I want to know what excites you about life. I want to hear the craziest thing you've ever done." This works because it shows genuine curiosity, making her feel important. It shifts the conversation from surface level to meaningful. It makes her feel special, like you actually care. Most men keep conversations boring and generic, but "I want" statements bring emotion into the exchange, making her feel more invested in you. 4. Using "I want" to build sexual tension without being aggressive. When used correctly, "I want" can subtly increase intimacy without being too forward or inappropriate. "I think you're really hot." Weak and predictable. "I want to kiss you right now." Confident and direct. "You're really attractive." Generic and unimpressive. "I want to see you in that dress again." Flirty and specific. By owning your attraction without hesitation, you create tension that makes her more excited to be around you. However, it's important to read the moment. If she's engaged, flirting back, and showing interest, statements like these can intensify attraction. But if she seems uncomfortable, dial it back and focus on emotional connection first. 5. Using "I want" to lead without controlling women. Respect men who take the lead. But that doesn't mean being controlling. The key is to express what you want while allowing her space to choose. "We are going here. Let's go." Too aggressive. "I want to check out this place tonight. Come with me." Inviting and confident. "You need to come over." Pushy and entitled. "I want to see you tonight. Let me know when you're free." Assertive yet respectful. See the balance? You're leading, but she still feels like she has a choice. This makes her feel valued and respected, increasing her attraction to you. 6. Avoid these mistakes. When using I want. Although I want is a powerful tool, using it incorrectly can backfire. Here are some common mistakes. Overusing it. If every sentence starts with I want, it can sound demanding or self-centered. Balance it with listening and engaging in her interests. Using it without confidence. If you say it with hesitation, I want to take you out maybe, it loses its power. Speak with certainty. Ignoring her response. Attraction is a two-way street. If she isn't receptive, don't force it. Instead, adjust your approach and read the energy. Final thoughts. Mastering the art of I want. Attraction isn't about chasing, begging, or proving yourself. It's about owning your desires with confidence. The way you express what you want can make the difference between being seen as weak and forgettable or strong and irresistible. Use I want to show confidence, clarity, and leadership. Use it to express interest without hesitation. Use it to deepen emotional connection and build tension. When you master this, you'll notice a shift in how women respond to you, because you're no longer seeking approval. Instead, you're leading the interaction with certainty, which is the foundation of true attraction. So how will you start using I want in your interactions? Drop a comment below and let's discuss. Blast off.